The Indian Himalayas, a vast mountain range in northern India, form part of the larger Himalayan mountain system that stretches across several countries in South Asia. These mountains are renowned for their majestic peaks, diverse ecosystems, cultural significance, and role in shaping the climate and rivers of the region. Below is a detailed overview. 1. Geographical extent. The Indian Himalayas stretch over 2,500 kilometers, covering states like Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, parts of Arunachal Pradesh, West Bengal, and the northeastern states. They are bounded by the Indus River in the west, the Brahmaputra River in the east. 2. Major divisions. The Indian Himalayas are broadly classified into 3 parallel ranges. A. Greater Himalayas, Himadri, the highest and northernmost range. Includes prominent peaks like Mount Everest, on Nepal's border, Kanchenjunga, Nanda Devi, and Kamet. Perpetual snow cover with massive glaciers like Siachen and Gungotra. Home to key rivers, Ganga, Yamuna, Indus, and Brahmaputra. B. Lesser Himalayas, Himachal, lies south of the Greater Himalayas. Moderate heights, 3,500 to 5,000 meters. Includes hill stations like Shimla, Manali, Mussoorie, and Darjeeling. Vegetation, mixed forests of oak, pine, and rhododendron. C. Outer Himalayas, Shivalik, the southernmost and lowest range. Elevation, 600 to 1,500 meters. Fertile valleys like Dehradun and Kangra. Agricultural importance due to rich alluvial soil. 3. Rivers and glaciers. Major rivers originating in the Himalayas include Indus River System, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas, Sutlej. Ganga River System, Bhagirathi, Alaknanda. Brahmaputra River System, Tista, Lohit. Important glaciers, Siachen, Zamu, Milam, Pindari. 4. Climate. The Himalayas influence India's climate by acting as a barrier to cold winds from Central Asia, causing monsoon rains by trapping moist winds. The climate varies across altitudes. Subtropical in the foothills. Temperate in the middle zones. Alpine and polar in the higher altitudes. 5. Flora and fauna. The Indian Himalayas are a biodiversity hotspot. Flora. Tropical forests in the foothills. Coniferous and alpine vegetation at higher altitudes. medicinal plants like Brahmi, ashwagandha, and shilajit. Fauna: snow leopard, Himalayan black bear, red panda, musk deer, and Himalayan manal. Numerous bird species like blood pheasants and griffon vultures. Dash 6. Cultural significance. The Himalayas have profound spiritual importance. Home to sacred rivers like the Ganga and Yamuna. Prominent pilgrimage sites: Kedarnath, Badrinath, Amarnath, Vaishno Devi, Bodh Gaya and Rumtek Monastery. The region is also culturally diverse, with communities like the Ladakhs, Tibetans, Gorkhas, and Garhwalis. Dash 7. Economic importance. Tourism, hill stations, adventure sports, trekking, mountaineering, skiing. Hydropower, dams on Himalayan rivers like Teri and Bakranangal. Agriculture, apples, tea, Darjeeling, medicinal plants. Dash 8. Challenges. Climate change, melting glaciers, erratic weather patterns. Deforestation, due to urbanization and agriculture. Earthquakes, the region is seismically active. Over-tourism, stress on fragile ecosystems. Dash 9. Key peaks. K2, Godwin Austin, 8,611 meters, located in Gilgit-Baltistan, under Pakistan-administered Kashmir. Kangchenjunga, 8,586 meters. Nanda Devi, 7,816 meters. Kamet, 7,756 meters. Dash. The Indian Himalayas are a treasure trove of natural beauty, cultural heritage, and ecological importance, making them vital not only for India but for the entire world.